You know the type. Always a little too close. But what if getting up close was fine? With Big Dawg Dumpsters, keeping your space clean and comfortable is as easy as brushing your teeth with that toothpaste that does it all: sensitivity relief, teeth strengthening, and germ killing. Is that a mini dumpster? It's just a little humor to break the ice. But seriously, Big Dawg Dumpsters is the real deal when it comes to keeping your project space clean. And it's not just about avoiding close encounters. Big Dawg Dumpsters ensures your cleanup is hassle-free. No more worrying about how to dispose of all that debris. That sounds like a game changer. For rates that don't bite and service that'll make you smile, Big Dawg Dumpsters is your go-to for all your cleanup needs in Port Charlotte, Florida. Don't let the mess of life get too close for comfort. Check out our driveway dumpster Port Charlotte, Florida rates and services at www.bigdawgfl.com or call 743-244-3294. Big Dawg Dumpsters. Keep it clean so you can get closer. Big Dawg Dumpsters, bringing neighbors closer, one clean project at a time. Because a cleaner space brings us all a bit closer together.